Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. In this session, we'll be talking about Azure Monitor and Service Health. Azure provides two primary services to monitor the health of your apps and resources. 1. Azure Monitor. 2. Azure Service Health. Azure Monitor maximizes the availability and performance of your applications by delivering a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from your cloud and on-premises environments. It helps you understand how your applications are performing and proactively identifies issues affecting them and the resources they depend on. Let's understand various monitoring data sources. Azure Monitor can collect data from a variety of sources. You can think of monitoring data for your applications in tiers ranging from your application, any operating system, and services it relies on, and down to the platform itself. 1. Application monitoring data – data about the performance and functionality of the code you have written, regardless of its platform. 2. Guest OS monitoring data – data about the operating system on which your application is running. This could be running in Azure, another cloud, or on-premises. 3. Azure Resource monitoring data – data about the operation of an Azure resource. 4. Azure Subscription monitoring data – data about the operation and management of an Azure subscription, as well as data about the health and operation of Azure itself. 5. Azure Tenant monitoring data – data about the operation of tenant-level Azure services, such as Azure Active Directory. Let's understand diagnostic settings. As soon as you create an Azure subscription and start adding resources such as virtual machines and web apps, Azure Monitor starts collecting data. Activity logs record when resources are created or modified, and metrics tell you how the resource is performing and the resources that it's consuming. You can extend the data you're collecting into the actual operation of the resources by enabling diagnostics and adding an agent to compute resources. Under Resource Settings, you can enable diagnostics. Enable guest-level monitoring. Performance counters – collect performance data. Event logs – enable various event logs. Crash dumps – enable or disable. Syncs – send your diagnostic data to other services for more analysis. Agent – configure agent settings. Let's understand about Azure Service Health. Azure Service Health is a suite of experiences that provide personalized guidance and support when issues with Azure services affect you. It can notify you, help you understand the impact of issues, and keep you updated as the issue is resolved. Azure Service Health can also help you prepare for planned maintenance and changes that could affect the availability of your resources. Azure Service Health is composed of Azure Status, Service Health and Resource Health. Azure Status provides a global view of the health state of Azure services. With Azure Status, you can get up-to-the-minute information on service availability. Everyone has access to Azure Status and can view all services that report their health state. Service Health provides you with a customizable dashboard that tracks the state of your Azure services in the regions where you use them. In this dashboard, you can track active events such as ongoing service issues, upcoming planned maintenance, or relevant health advisories. Health Dashboard to create and manage service health alerts, which notify you whenever there are service issues that affect you. Resource Health helps you diagnose and obtain support when an Azure service issue affects your resources. It provides you with details about the current and past state of your resources. It also provides technical support to help you mitigate problems. In contrast to Azure Status, which informs you about service problems. Great! Now you learned about Azure Monitor and Service Health. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please download our Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store and subscribe. Hey! Don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.